Sa British Columbia, mapapanood ang isang produksyon ng Nonsense kung saan isa sa mga gaganap, Pinoy. Kilalanin siya sa report na ito. Matapos ang matagumpay na produksyon noong 2022, muling nagbabalik sa Metro Theatre sa Vancouver ang Nonsense, isang palabas ukol sa fundraising efforts ng mga madre matapos ang isang krisis sa New Jersey.
It's about 5 nuns, these little sisters of Hoboken, and they're Catholic, and there's a song called "Growing Up Catholic." They're putting on this little variety show, this little fundraiser, and that's the show that you will see. We have returning Megan Anderson, who is coming back in her role as Sister Amnesia. So she's a nun who doesn't remember who she is because a crucifix fell on her head and she lost her memory.
Isang Filipino-Canadian na si Jen Suratos sa mga magtatanghal. Gagampanan niya ang papel na Mother Superior. Kasama niya rin sa cast si Ovation Best Supporting Actress Paula Higgins bilang Sister Mary Hubert at sina Mary Cleaver bilang Sister Robert Ann at Jacqueline Sim bilang Sister Mary Leo.
If you're a Catholic, you will get all the jokes and all the nuances.
Hindi ito ang unang palabas na bahagi si Suratos. Nagtanghal na rin siya sa ilang produksyon, gaya ng We Will Rock You ng Theater Under the Stars.
And started performing in my high school musicals at St. Pat's Catholic High School, which was my Catholic roots coming through here, which has helped me on Nonsense a lot.
Pinagsasabay niya raw ang rehearsal schedule sa trabaho. Dati rin daw siyang aktibo sa Capilano Musical Theater Program. Idol daw niya si Broadway legend Lea Salonga.
At that time, it's hard to believe, but I was a pretty shy kid growing up. And when I was starting to learn about musical theater, the big musicals were like Les Mis, and then I came on to Miss Saigon. So as every good Filipino knows, Lea Salonga was on everywhere. So she really influenced me and still does.
Bukod sa pagtatanghal, magbabalik din daw ang espesyal na nonsense-inspired cocktails sa bar ng Metro Theater.
I know the name of it is called A Bad Habit, and I don't exactly know what's in it, so maybe you'll have to come in and discover.
Mapapanood ang Nonsense sa Vancouver mula ika-27 ng Pebrero hanggang ika-21 ng Marso.